3 cigars in your mouth, and all the time in the world.
So, Diet Coke?
Sit down, Missy. I'm gonna sing you a song. I wanna share a tale with you about the American dream, when all the railroads ran on time and our nation ran on steam. Behind the tracks and the railroad ties, a hero took command of connecting every town, and he was called the Railroad Man. Railroad Man! Railroad Man! Can you take me to San Fran? Can you take me down to Tennessee and across the Rio Grande? Can you take me up Mount Everest and into Disneyland? Can you get me there on time? Oh, can you do it? Railroad Man. Railroad Man.
Guys, sorry, that song's just too dang catchy.
Now you're probably wondering why they called him the Railroad Man.
I think you explained it pretty well.
Well, I'm gonna tell you why. They called him that because he built the railroads and was male. And they called them railroads because they were like roads except with rails.
Cool. Thanks for clarifying.
His eyes, they say, were made of coal. His toes were railroad spikes. His trains had 7 stars on Yelp and 1 billion Facebook likes. That's right, 1 billion.
What happened next?
Shut up, kid! I'm the one singing!
I wasn't...
He laid all of the track, you see, hooked up the USA. And he could have kept on going if not for that fateful day. These 2 weird fellas came to town and invented human flight. They called their ship an aeroplane and themselves Brothers Wright. Brothers Wright. They said, our planes can transfer man without the need for rail.